In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I picked up for my latest Temu haul, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Tracy and I am a girl with plans. I want to thank you so much for pressing that play button today. And if you find that you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that like button. As you can see, I have a very small Temu haul today, so this should be a quick video. I will have a discount code linked down in the description box, which will give you some savings on your future purchase from Temu. I love Temu. I have been on a big kick lately. This is actually one of the larger stationery hauls I've done because I just got back from vacation and all of my other purchases were like travel related. So I have been doing some like clothing purchases and things like that, which I was really surprised that I was super happy with. But I decided to pick up some stationery this time and I definitely wanted to share it with you guys. So let's start with this. This is not stationery, but it is. It is for my filming setup. So I currently have this like wooden little shelf, floating shelf right above my desk that I snap my camera holder on. And I was thinking that maybe I would try these plastic ones because I find that the wooden ones actually start coming apart. So I think I'm going to try this and I think it'll be helpful. I might actually use the bigger ones and do floating shelves kind of above my desk. So that way I can actually put some stuff on it. So if I do this, if I set this up in time that this video goes up, I might actually insert a picture of the final product. But this, I will link everything down in the description box. I'm pretty sure this was like $12, if not a little bit less than that. I'm not 100% sure. I will find that out and provide that information for you as well. I'll just pop it up on the screen. But yeah, so I'm super excited about that. Hopefully it should provide enough stability because we have wall anchors and things like that. So we shall see. I will keep you guys updated on that, especially if you are into like filming and stuff like that. I just find it more helpful to put something on the wall to hold my camera instead of on the desk because it shakes a little bit more on the desk. So I will keep you updated on that progress. All right. The next two things I purchased these are just some thicker stencils. So I have a reading journal. Let me open this up. So here we go. I took everything out of the plastic. So I think this is more for die cuts if you want to make die cut stickers or things like that. I'm not sure really how to do that. I thought I could use this as a stencil. I'm not so sure that I can because it's not cut in the middle like I thought it was going to be. I thought it would be cut like right there it's split, but here and stuff it's not. So I'm not sure this is going to work how I wanted it to because I have a reading journal and I was doing all my books by hand. And I thought this could be a great little addition, but I don't think it's going to work like I wanted it to. But these will work. So I have a lot of the plastic stencils that you just write on the inside of like these. And sometimes because of the flimsiness, the pen and stuff goes underneath of it. So I wanted some of these like letters that I could use to kind of be a little bit more sturdy and hopefully cause a little bit less errors and bleed through and stuff when I'm writing. So we'll see how this is. All of these things are like $1. So I figured I would try them. All right, we're almost done. I told you it's gonna be a quick video. All right, so this is a washi tape set. This one is super cute. Do I need more washi tape? No. But do I want more washi tape? Yes. Let me take the plastic off so you can see it without glare. Okay, again, I will pop the prices up on the screen and I will have everything linked down in the description box. But the reason why I got this is because, you know, I had a sticker book that had like all these bees on it from Hobby Lobby. I had 2 of them and I loved them. So I saw this washi tape and I just really wanted it. Look, you have like the honeycombs, the bees, florals, some bees with black and white, some butterflies. So I just thought this was super cute. I don't have anything similar to it. Here's some more with some bees. You can see it's actually, I mean, obviously it's smaller than some of the other rolls of washi tape, but you can see a little contrast here. It actually is a decent amount for what I paid for it. Again, I'll pop it up on the screen. Going off of memory, it's probably like, I probably paid like what, $4 for it, which we know is very cheap for washi. You get this little cute little box. Yay. All right, last 2 things. These are scrapbook paper. This, yeah. I didn't realize they came in these cute little holders. Okay. So these are both, they say Alice's Illusion. Like I said, I'll have it linked so you can see. But I wanted these like little small ones. Again, I'm thinking more reading journal. So you get 2 pages identical. Let's see if I can pick these up without like... So, and I like it's textured and it's thin. And I am really big right now on the thinness because I don't want my journal to get too thick. But I just thought these were super pretty. And again, I'm kind of thinking these more for my reading journal, just to kind of add a little oomph. But I also have gone to creative journaling for my mental wellness journaling. I'm using a traveler's notebook. And, you know, I do want to like incorporate some more scrapbook paper and stuff like that. I like to do like this one. I could like rip it and then have the edge there. Just show you all of them. Just because I only have 2 paper packs, I must add another one in there. Like that one's. So this is kind of like fairy tale-esque. Are some of them? Oh no. Okay, they are. Yeah, they're 2. They're just sticking together. All right, we have a castle. Okay, there we go. So that is from that set. And I know, I'm pretty sure all of these paper packs were less than $4. Again, I'll pop it up on the screen. And then here's this one. This is more of the darker vibe. So this would be really pretty for my reading journal because I've kind of gone the darker route in that reading journal. So it's very similar to the other set. You have like the macaroons. They're dark here. Just different color palette. I had a sticker book I purchased from Temu. It was like black dance steps. So it's like very dark academia, gothic type vibe. So I think this will go really well with that as well. I probably should have picked up another one of those because I ended up liking that book so much more than I thought I would. All right, there we go, guys. That was my super quick Temu haul. Like I said, I have made so many purchases from Temu in the past, month and a half, but I've been purchasing mainly like clothes and like essential products instead of stationery. I went on a huge stationery kick for Temu probably early last year. So I was like, okay, I need to take a break and I need to buy some other stuff. But I did pick up some recently and I definitely wanted to share it with you guys. So again, I will have everything linked down in the description box as well as a discount code. So definitely be sure to check that out to save a little bit of cash. All right. So that is all I have for now. Yay. Short video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing as well. I hope to be adding some more shopping vlogs to my channel again, especially now that it is spring season and all the new releases are coming out. So be sure to stay tuned for that stuff. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in and I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening or night. Until next time, bye.